The recently concluded Train the Trainers Coaches course seeks to empower sports officials and assist the Saint Lucia Football Association (SLFA) in acquiring CONCACAF coaching convention status. Facilitated by CONCACAF in collaboration with FIFA, the training equipped 9 established coaches with the skills and knowledge necessary to deliver the SLFA's coaching qualifications and enhance the coach development process.
Normally we'd deliver a course and you'd say it have one coach is 20 players. So now you're delivering the course or the workshop, and it's not 20 players you're responsible for. Each of these coaches is responsible for hundreds, maybe thousands of players. Hence it is so important, the quality of the presentation that we're polishing with these coach educators, to deliver better courses within the MA so that you can have better players, which will mean better communities. And it is our pleasure here today to be able to do that and to visit for a second time and to witness the growth of the coach educators along the last 5 months.
SLFA President Lyndon Cooper urged the sports officials to contribute to enhancing the level of play.
I think we are taking too long to complete that appeal license. Definitely too long. And if we have to continue so, it means that when the A is no longer necessary, we'll still be dragging with a B license. It means that the gap is going to be wide continuously. And my appeal to all the coach educators, all the participants, to have a responsibility, and that is to continue to contribute to the growth and development of the game.
The SLFA plans to establish a coaching association to continue the education of officials.
Every quarter, every 6 months, we are going to engage you so that we could continue to put on the table best practices. And we think that creating that group is going to assist us in exchanging ideas and to ensure that we all understand what next and what we must achieve. I also want to indicate that under the convention that you have to renew your license every year. So I don't want nobody to be sitting there to think that I'm going to have it until God everlasting. You must renew it.
The SLFA is working to improve the game and achieve FIFA World Cup representation. The Football Association is rethinking its strategy with a strong focus on youth development. Gina Felipe, HDS News Force.